how to use eBay local pickup option in 2026. So in here, if you are trying to sell like an item on eBay, if you're trying to set it for a listing, what you should do is obviously get into my eBay, then from here list an item and go along with the process of like adding all of the details of your item, right? So let's just go with this one, and then I'm going to sell this particular item. This would be this, like this, add in all of the details of the exact item that you want to set it for listing, and on your listing summary there would be the option of delivery, right? So what you're going to do is keep on scrolling. Here you can see delivery. If you tap on this edit icon right here, now in here make sure that local pickup is turned on just like this, and on the item location, if you tap on it here, you would need to add in your exact zip code in order for your customer to be able to use this eBay local pickup option, right? So all you need to do is tap on done, and then you can set it for a listing. So let's just say you are a buyer on eBay and you want to use this local pickup. Then what you're going to do is search for the exact item that you want to buy, just like this, right? So after searching for it, what you're going to do is tap on the filter option right here, and then from here under the under here you would need to find the local pickup option. If you simply tap on the show more option, here you can see shipping and pickup. If you tap on it, what you're going to do is select the local pickup and then tap on search. Here you can see show 78 results. Tap on it and you'll be able to see all of the items that has that local pickup option. So this is exactly how you'll be able to do it. So yeah, if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for the video.